Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and very good day. My name is Farhat Abbasi and I am a teacher of Higher Secondary Guards Public School 1. Children, I am taking social studies. Children, our new topic is animal rights. Before I start our new chapter, Animal Rights, let's take a quick review of your previous book 3. We learned about the 5 basic human rights in book 3. There are the right to food, the right to clothing, the right to have shelter, the right to education, the right to be loved. Now children, let's start our new topic, animal rights. Animal rights. First of all, we must know about what do you mean by animal rights. Animal rights means that animals deserve certain kinds of consideration. It means animals are not ours to use for food, clothing, experiment, and entertainment. Protection of animal from cruelty through requirement of human treatment. All animals have the ability to suffer in the same way and to the same degree that humans do. They feel pain, pleasure, fear, frustration, loneliness, and motherly love. Key points. Animals have rights to need suitable house or apart from other animal. Number 2, animals have rights to need suitable diet. Number 3, animals have rights to protect their young. Number 4, animals have rights to kindness from human being. Number 5, animals have rights to be protected from pain and suffering, disease and injuries. Examples of brutal treatment of animals. Animal, birds, insects, reptiles and fish to all have rights. Why? Because they all are Allah's creatures and a part of nature. They are all living creatures. Animal cannot speak to express themselves. So human must not be cruel to these creatures. We must care of their needs. Our religion Islam teaches us to be kind and to care of them. Rights of animals and creatures over humanity are the following. A. Animals have rights to need housed with or apart from other animal. Like us, animals too need home to live. Some animals make their own home. Household pets have a better life than stray animal. स्ट्रे एनिमल मीन्स बाहर जो घूमने फिरने वाले जो जानवर होते हैं, जैसे बिल्ली, कुत्ते, जो घर में पले हुए नहीं होते हैं. वी मेक होम फॉर एनिमल्स वी डोमेस्टिकेट बाय प्रोवाइडिंग सफिशिएंट स्पेस, proper facilities and company of animals to ensure they care for their animal properly. Children, here are homes of animals. Different animals lived in different places, like cow live in a shed, dog and cat live in kennel, birds live in nest, bees live in hive, spider live in web, bear and lion live in cave, and fishes live in river, seas and ocean. We should provide suitable and comfortable environment when they are allowed to run and sleep and free to display normal behavior. Animals have rights to need suitable diet. Children, animals have rights to protect from hunger and thirst and malnourishment. Malnourishment किसको कहते हैं? ग़िज़ा की कमी की वजह से जो उनको बीमारियां हो जाती हैं, प्रॉपर डाइट ना मिलने की को malnourishment कहते हैं. Different animal eats different kinds of food. Some eats grass and leaves. Some eat insects. Some eat flesh of other animal. Flesh of other animal जो dogs और lion ये जो है गोश्त खाते हैं. Flesh गोश्त खाते हैं दूसरे जानवरों का. You can put out water, grain and crumbs for birds. You can feed leftover to stray animal. Provide ready access to fresh water and diet to maintain good health. Yes, children, here's a picture of some animal foods. You can see what the cat and dog eat, lion eats, rabbit and hen eats. Animals have rights to protect their young. We must not take very young puppies, kitten and chicks away from their mother. They need their loves too. Animals have rights to kindness from human being. Animals are kept on farm and also used for transport. We should make sure that they are treated with kindness, fed properly, cared for, were kept clean and comfortable. When we see animal or birds being mistreated, we should try to stop. Cart animals are sometimes made to carry heavy loads and are beaten cruelly. Stray animals like dog and cats are often hit with stick or stone. यानी कि आमतौर पर सड़क पर घूमने वाले कुत्ते बिल्ली को बच्चे जो हैं वो छेड़ते हैं, उनको मारते हैं स्टोन से और बाज़ दफ़ा लकड़ी से चुभोते हैं उनके. Animal used for fight like bear, bull fights, dog and cock fights. This is very cruel as animal can be badly injured and may die. Animals are used as entertainment. In circuses, animal, lion, tiger, monkey, bear and other animal are sentenced. यानी कि उनको कैद कर दिया जाता है एनिमल, लाइन, मंकी, बेयर वगैरह को केजेस के अंदर. सर्कस में केजेस होते हैं ना, उसमें उनको बंद कर दिया जाता है. यूजिंग एनिमल फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट मीन्स रिमूविंग एनिमल फ्रॉम देयर नेचुरल हैबिटेट. यानी कि नेचुरल हैबिटेट क्या होती है? जो नेचुरल वे में जो वो जहाँ वो रहते हैं, जैसे जंगल में शेर, हाथी, लायन और दूसरे जानवर वहाँ आज़ादी के साथ वो घूमते फिरते हैं और घास फूस और जो भी चीज़ें उनकी ग़िज़ा होती है शिकार करते हैं. तो वो एक नेचुरल हैबिटेट है. कीपिंग देम कन्फाइंड इन केजेस, और उनको फिर उस नेचुरल हैबिटेट से उनको एक पिंजरे में बंद कर दिया जाता है. एंड एंगेजिंग देम इन अननेचुरल बिहेवियर, और उनको अननेचुरल बिहेवियर पर उनको उनसे ट्रीट किया जाता है. ऑल फॉर ह्यूमन अम्यूज़मेंट, और ये सारे काम जो हैं लोगों को खुश करने के लिए होते हैं. अब्यूजिंग एनिमल फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, यानी कि जानवरों को मिसट्रीट किया जाता है ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए और एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए. ठीक है. Now the fifth point is animals have rights to protect from pain, suffering, disease and injuries. Scientists have observed and proven that there are emotions present in animal. Animal can feel depression, loneliness, anxiety, fear and many other emotion. यानी कि जानवरों के भी अपने इमोशंस होते हैं, जज्बात होते हैं. बाज़ दफ़ा वो परेशान होते हैं, डिप्रेशन में होते हैं, और बाज़ दफ़ा अपनी खुशी का भी इजहार करते हैं वो. फ्रीडम फ्रॉम fear and distress by ensuring condition and treatment which avoid mental suffering. Do not shoot them with anything that breaks their bone or harms by any means. Animals also need to get vaccine to prevent future potential and illness. When animals are treated well, they are also love their owner loyally. Here is a picture of some animals suffering from disease and injuries. Animal laws in Pakistan at national level, anti-cruelty protection and welfare. Do you know, children, that there are laws to prevent cruelty to animals, and there are organizations that helps to look after animal. Number 1, the Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal is SPCA. Number 2 organization is the Pakistan Animals Welfare Society, PAWS, are the two such bodies working to protect animal. Some laws for protecting animal rights. No experiment on animal rights. More than 100 million animals suffer and die every year in cruel chemical drugs, food and cosmetic tests, as well as medical training exercises. Number 2, no animal use as entertainment. Animals are used extensively in the entertainment industry, including in circuses, zoos, pet shows, and movies. Cruel sports such as bullfighting, horse racing, and more. Number 3, no animal skin for clothing, carpets, and shoes. It is forbidden to use animal to kill or hunted for their skin or fur. Number 4, making it illegal to cruelty beat. Besides that, dog fight will be illegal as well as bear baiting. All different activities in which animals kill or injured will be banned. Number 5, no animal use for hard labor or overriding. Now children, you have to complete your assignment. Question number 1 is, what do you mean by animal rights? एनिमल्स के क्या क्या राइट्स हैं, वो क्या डिजर्व करते हैं इंसानों से, उनको क्रूअल्टी से किस तरह बचाना चाहिए, उनके साथ किस तरह का ट्रीटमेंट करना चाहिए. लिसन योर वीडियोज एंड ऑडियोज एंड राइट डाउन द आंसर फ्रॉम द बुक एज वेल एज योर फ्रॉम प्रेजेंटेशन. What are the 5 basic animal rights? Animal के क्या क्या rights हैं? Like animal basic rights are following. Which one are there? Animal have rights to need suitable house, suitable diet, protect their young, kindness from human being, and protected from pain, suffering, and disease and injuries. Now you have to complete your blanks. Number 1 blank is fill in the blanks. Animals are kept on farm and also used for dash. Animal cannot speak to dash themselves. Stray animals like dog or cat are often hit with stick or stone. Some people use animal for dash like bear baiting and cockfights. Number 5 is it is forbidden. Forbidden के मतलब है मना है. To use animal for dash experiment. Okay? Now children, I think it is very easy to complete this work. Reviews of today's lecture. Animal have rights to need suitable house or apart from other animal. Number 2, animal have rights to need suitable diet. Number 3, animal have rights to protect their youngs. Number 4, animal have rights to kindness from human being. Number 5, animal have rights to be protected from pain, suffering, disease and injuries. Thank you very much. Yes, children, hope you all understand the lesson very well and hope is everything is clear. Is there any query or any question you have to ask me in my personal number? I can explain you. Thank you, children. Thanks for watching.